Hey guys, Rebels ASUS here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to put a new CPU in your computer. So let's do this. So what you're going to want to do is take your finger, put it right here on this little retention arm thing. You're going to pull it out like that. Do that. There you go. And then grab your CPU. I'm using i5-7400. I didn't need anything too powerful, but I needed it to be enough for gaming, getting high frames. So then you're just gonna, first of all, actually, you're gonna want to match the little triangle on your CPU. I want to focus. Anyway, you get it. You're going to want to match the little triangle on the edge of your CPU with the triangle on this. So after you match up those two things, you're going to put it in there, like so. Give it a little wiggle. Drop down this retention arm, bring it back like this, so that it slots in behind that little screw. Pull down real hard. Put it behind this little piece of metal here. That way it stays down like that. Now on to the CPU cooler. You get some CPU thermal paste on there. You're going to want to take your CPU cooler. You're going to want to match it up with all the holes on the motherboard. There's 4 holes around where the CPU goes. One right there, one right there, one right there. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but hold on. There you go. A hole right there, a hole right here, a hole right there, and a hole right there. You take the hole, or the little, I forgot what these are called, but you take those and you match them up with the holes on the motherboard. So that's what I am going to do now. Just give it a wiggle and make sure it pokes through. Takes a lot of work. It probably would be smarter just to take your motherboard out of your case when you replace your CPU cooler and all that. But you know, I'm too lazy. One second. I'm going to set you guys over here. While I do this, I'm going to put my microphone over here. Alright, that's on there. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Got it on there. That was really hard. And after you get the CPU cooler on there, you're gonna want to get a fan that goes to the CPU cooler. So much work. Okay. Let's plug this in here. There's the header. It's facing that. Set that there for now. Your CPU and CPU cooler installed. You're good to reinstall your RAM, which I have right here, and your video card. So yeah. There we go. Our RAM is now installed. Now it's just to install my graphics card. You guys already know you're going to want to see, because you know video cards are noise. Where's my screws? Right. PC is set up and it's running. I'm going to open up. One sec here. Right, let's just open the task manager. Plus my disk is at 100 because my computer just turned on. And I don't have an SSD. But here we go. Well, my flash is on, but i5 7400 at 38 gigahertz, and it's running at 3.4 right now. Yeah. So if you liked it, like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever you like to do on Rebels 903, and yeah, peace.